Hello everyone, in this video we will just design this front page using MS Word. So this will be the design that we will make right now. Okay, I have already made it. So now we will start it from scratch. Let's get started. So let's open MS Word. After opening the MS Word, let's first of all set up just the page. Come here to the layout and to the size select A4 and to the margin select narrow. After selecting it, and now let's add border, page border. So for that, come here to the design and come here to the page border and just select here what type of border. Yeah, select this one, and yeah, the border has added. If the border was not available in this area, just select that one. Okay, that has removed. Select it back. The border has came, and after that just come here, like let's select 3D one, and yeah, that is custom, and just add this is the width and the color automatic. Press OK. So let's select this one. Okay, it looks like this now. And also let's add the border color, and we will select this last one, and the color would be blue. Okay, so the border has added now. So now let's add the custom shape here. Okay, the shape that I showed you before. So for that we need to download, I will show you. Yeah, just search font frame pro. You will face with other a lot of websites, but I have downloaded this one. Okay, CO fonts. Okay, from this website I have downloaded it. This is the download button. After that, install it. After installing this font, just come here and to the insert and to the symbols, more symbols, and select that one here. Okay, font frame pro, select that one. You will face with all these frames, okay, that you have, but I have selected this first one and select insert. After that, close it, and this is the shape that we have inserted. Select it and just come here to the word art and change it like this one. After that, come here, let's increase first of all the size of this. Come here to the home page, and by clicking this button, increase the size of it and change the color. This is the color of this. And now let's copy this one. Control C, paste it 4 times. Now let's drag it here, this one here, and the 4th one to this corner. So let's change now. Sorry, what happened? Let's change it, just round it, make it like this, and move it to the corner. That looks like this. That is okay. Let's bring these two also. Let's decrease the size of page. Okay, let's bring it. Yeah, I have placed the shapes in the corners. So now let's add our text. Come here to the insert and to the text box, draw text, and write your text here: Oxford Grammar School. And let's increase the size of this. Also bold it and change the font Times and Roman, and just come here to the design now. No, sorry, shape format. Come here to this icon. Okay, and here we will just select the shape effect. Come here to the shape effect, this one. Okay, to this word arts, and the last option, and select this one. Okay, follow for this arc. Okay, select this arc, and after selecting the arc, now let's drag it down like this. Oxford Grammar School. Yeah, it looks like. Let's move it to the top and let's remove the shape no fill, and also the outline no outline. So it looks like this. Now let's select take our logo. For that, come here to the insert and to the shapes, select this circle, and it looks like this. Then come here to the shape format and shape fill with picture, select it from a file. Just come here to the desktop, and the desktop we have this logo, select this logo. Yeah, it looks like this now. Just move it to the front. Let's select another shape, come here to the insert and to the shapes and to this rectangular, just draw it, and let's shape fill no fill, and let's add shape outline, and also the color of the shape is this one. And now let's insert another shape. It looks like this. Copy it and paste it, and move it to the right side also. Let's make it smaller. I will just adjust it. So I have adjusted that. Now just come here to the insert and to the text box, press this simple text box, and write here session 2023 and 24. Let's drag it here, and let's change the text, increase the size of the text. Just let's just remove the no fill and shape outline no outline, drag it here, increase the size, Ctrl B, bold it. So I have just changed the color of text also. And now let's move and insert one another shape. Let's make it like this, and just come here to the insert and to the shapes, just take this round shape and do it like this, move it to the top, and let's change the color. Subject, basic of computer, come to the home and just get like this. I have just increased the text and also changed the color and others. Okay, this is just a simple thing that I did. Now let's add one another shape that is submitted by. Come here to the insert and to the shapes, and come here down, we will just insert a shape. And for that we will select this one. Let's draw it. And let's add shape outline. Submitted by. Okay, submitted by. Let's increase the text. Ctrl V, bold it. and also change the text color to yellow. And let's create another shape down, that is insert and shapes, and let's select a shape, this shape. Let's draw it. And in this shape now we will just write our ID, roll number, name, subject and other things. Create it like this. Let's add the color. The color of this shape would be like this, and also let's insert the text. And let's drag it down. It is okay now, and let's shape fill, no fill, and shape outline, no outline. Let's write our text now. Name, something like this, subject, and also class, and registration number 442 and something else, whatever you want. So you can write it there, but let's move the text to the center. Press Ctrl E in the center, and let's increase the size also, and Ctrl B it. Let's press Ctrl P. On the front page it will looks like this. Okay, this is the front page, and we can add other designs also if you want. So to this text we can add like shadow. We can add a shadow to this, and whatever you want. Oh, sorry. Ctrl A and add shadow to all text. So this is our front page that we has designed using MS Word. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.